Welcome back to the Belly Up Bar. It's been a while. I'm getting kind of thirsty here. I'm going to make a drink called the RONGORONGO. Comes from Liles, Smuggler's Cove, San Francisco. Comes in at 25%. Pretty stout tiki drink. So let's get started. Calls for one pineapple rum. This is Stiggins Fancy. Good rum. Almost out, but I got a new one. Okay. And one aged rum. I'm going to use Angostura 5. This actually has more aroma than the 7, so I like the 5 a lot better. One of these. This is from Trinidad, Tobago. The other rums are not from there, so it's a good mix. And 3/4 O.F.T.D. This is a multi-island rum. 138 proof. I want to tell people before you serve this. 3/4. Looks like we're out. Grab another one here. And 3/4 cinnamon syrup. This is 1:1 cinnamon. 3/4. Otherwise called Don's number 4. And 1 pineapple juice. I'm going to use the fresh pressed sometime in the past. 1. I saw this recipe on Imbibe magazine. 3/4 lime juice, Persian. Got a good aroma. I like it so far. And 1 dash of Angostura. I'm going to put it in this tiki mug right here. But first, I'm going to whip it. A couple little chunks of ice in there, clear ice. And pour the whole thing. And a straw. Let's give this a taste. Good show. Rums come through. Good mix, well balanced. 3 rums are excellent. This is the RONGORONGO. 5 1/4 ounces, so a little bit smaller mug would probably do the trick. If you're interested in subscribing, there's a brown icon right there. And hope to have you watch another video next time. Thanks for watching.